Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can stop Vegas Pro from crashes and freezes. If you are using Vegas Pro 17, you might encounter frequent crashes or freezes. To fix this, it's pretty simple. Open your Vegas Pro 17 or 16 and click on options. Press and hold on the shift key on your keyboard and you need to click on preferences. Now under preferences you will have a tab called as internal. Click on that and you need to click on the search box and you need to type SO4, and under that you need to change this value, enable SO4 compound reader for AVC or M2TS. By default it is true. You need to change this value to false. To change the value you need to double click on this field and you need to simply type false in capital letters. After changing the value to false, you need to press on any field and click on apply, and you will get a pop-up. For one or more of these changes to take effect, the application must be shut down and restarted. Click on OK. Click on OK. For changes to take place, you need to restart your Vegas Pro. So that's it guys. In this way, you can stop the Vegas Pro 17 crashes and freezes. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.